Okay, you tell me the doses of anti-rabies vaccine and its site also. Okay, you tell me some of the suturing techniques. So good morning friends, welcome to PD classes. Today an important session for those who are preparing for armed medical corps. I hope students in this interview we are going to ask lot many medical based questions, personal questions will definitely be fruitful to all of you. And our both channels PD classes and interview guide, you will be enjoying lot many doctor related interview videos and you will be watching lot many medical portion also. So first of all, I welcome Bhumika to you.
Thank you, sir.
Bhumika, this is a mock session. So first of all, you tell me, what is the work profile of medical officer?
Sir, there are various work of MO like attend OPD, maintenance of cold chain, implementation of UIP, implementation of National Health Program, organize monthly meetings, organize TT and VT camps, and organize family planning services, organize training of ASHA and Anganwadi workers.
Okay. You tell me what does Bhumika means?
Yes, sir. My name means character. I am similar to my name. If money is lost, then nothing is lost. If health is lost, then something is lost. If character is lost, then everything is lost.
Okay. Okay. How many commands are there in army?
There are 7 commands in army.
Can you name them?
Yes, sir. From northern side Udhampur, from central side Lucknow, from western side Chandigarh, from eastern side Kolkata, from southern side Pune, from Shimla training, and from southwestern side Jaipur.
Okay, how many types of fever are there?
There are 5 types of fever.
Okay, can you name them?
Intermittent fever, sudden high fever, continuous fever, remittent fever, rheumatic fever.
Bhumika, why you opted armed medical corps career?
Sir, serving the nation is in my blood. My grandfather and father worked as a doctor and my uncle is an army man. Disciplinary lifestyle of AMC motivates me to join this organization. Uniform job attracts me a lot.
Okay.
And as I am an extrovert person, so this job suits my nature.
You like to work alone or in a team?
Sir, actually working individually can help me seeking my career opportunities and enjoy working by myself and love to take projects independently. But in a team members can share their responsibilities and credit. I can put my head together in a team and refine the concept.
Okay. Who is your ideal?
Sir, my ideal is Dr. Siddharth Mukherjee.
Why is your ideal?
Sir, because he is multi-talented. As a physician, biologist and author.
Okay. What do you learn from your college life?
Sir, I learned many of such things from college life, like how to communicate with people and come to express ourselves more brightly.
Okay.
And not about a good speaking skills. I also become a good listener.
What is the total dose of vitamin A?
17 lakh IU.
Okay. Tell about your family.
Sir, my family has 5 members. My father as a doctor, my mother is assistant of my father, and my sister is a physician.
Okay. Okay, you tell me, what are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies are reading medical books and know more about them because as I am interested in it.
Okay. Any more hobby other than reading and books?
Listening music and enjoy my company.
Tell about your strengths.
Sir, my strength is for my passion at particular task, my honesty and my hard work.
Any weakness do you have?
Yes, sir, I am little talkative.
Okay. Okay, you tell me some of the suturing techniques.
Yes, sir. Continuous suture, deep suture, buried suture, interrupted suture, purse string suture, subcutaneous suture.
Okay, you tell me the doses of anti-rabies vaccine and its site also.
Yes, sir. 40 IU per kg of body weight at deltoid muscles.
Okay. Okay, what are the uses of clopidogrel?
It is used in a patient of stroke, heart attack and severe chest pain.
Okay. Can you give me examples of third generation cephalosporins?
Yes, sir. Cefixime,
Yes.
ceftriaxone and cefotaxime.
Okay, okay. Okay, you tell me why you opted doctor as your career?
सर क्योंकि मुझे ना ये स्कूल लाइफ से ही बहुत अच्छा लगता था और मेरी टीचर ने भी मुझे सजेस्ट किया था कि मैं बायो ही लूँ क्योंकि वो टीचर भी मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती थी और वो मेरी हमेशा मदद करती थी और मुझे साइंस में भी इंटरेस्ट था स्टार्टिंग से ही, मतलब।
Okay. That motivates you to be a doctor.
यस सर।
Okay. इसरो के हेड कौन है?
द हेड ऑफ द इसरो इज एस सोमनाथ।
And NASA head?
बिल नेल्सन।
Okay. Okay. Who is your favorite Bollywood star?
अक्षय कुमार।
Why is your favorite?
He is a multi-talented. He is a punctual. He is a social welfare and a good actor.
Okay. Tell me some epidemic disease in your place.
Mostly malaria.
Okay. Bhumika, what your friends tell about you?
सर मेरे फ्रेंड्स मुझे कॉन्फिडेंट कहते हैं। मैं अपने काम को लेकर कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ, हार्ड वर्क हूँ, ऑनेस्ट हूँ, पंक्चुअल हूँ।
Okay. Can you tell me the drug of choice for ventricular fibrillation?
यस सर, CCB।
Yes, calcium channel blocker. Bhumika, tell me the drug used for hypertension and pregnancy.
Oral labetalol.
Okay. And what are your short-term and long-term goal of life?
Sir, my short-term goal is to get a job in your organization and improve my skills.
Okay. And what is your long-term goal?
Sir, my long-term goal is to become an important member of your organization by my hard work and honesty.
Okay. Okay, you tell me, what is the motto of army?
Service before self.
Okay. Any reason that why should we select you?
Sir, because I am confident in my work and punctual and have a honesty in my work, and as I am hard worker also.
Okay. What type of people you like to work with?
Although I can work with every kind of people, but since you are asking, so I like to work with people of honesty.
Okay. Okay, Bhumika, can you work in pressure?
Yes sir, definitely. I can work in the pressure, and I think it is necessary.
Okay. And you believe pressure is necessary for every person?
Yes, sir.
To be prudent in life?
Yes sir.
Okay. Okay, you tell me, like, what type of books you like to read other than medical books?
Sir, I like to read the motivational books.
What you learn from these books?
Sir, like The Secret book. This book is written by Rhonda Byrne, an Australian lady.
Okay.
It works on law of attraction. When we think positive, positive will happen with us. When we think negative, negative will happen with us.
Okay. So you like to read such books and learn lot many things?
Yes, sir.
That's very good. Bhumika, if you don't get selected, then what you will do?
Sir, if I don't get selected, then at least I can know about my weakness. और मैं इसमें फिर ट्राई करूँगी. I'll believe in try again and again. And शायद next time मैं select हो जाऊँ.
Okay, you are very optimistic.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you work anywhere?
Yes, sir. I don't have any homesickness.
Okay, so you can easily go any place.
Yes, sir.
Okay, happiest moment of your life?
Sir, my happiest moment of my life when I get to top in 12th standard.
Okay. Bhumika, tell me the medical term of pink eye.
It is a conjunctivitis.
Okay. Do you want to ask any question from us?
What are the skills I should develop for AMC job?
Okay, definitely we'll share up the skills which are being required. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So now I want to give some important tips to my students, those who want to go for AMC. Friends, if you are going for armed medical corps, it is one of the best interview I can say. And in this type of interview, go through various important aspects which most of the doctors are neglecting. So those topics I am going to discuss. First is NSAIDs. That is very important. Most of the doctors are neglecting this topic and they are asking questions from based on that. Another is antibiotics. So whatever it is, classifications and these things are being asked. And most of the time what is happening, we are being asked the questions which are our life related, like personal questions. So prepare your personal questions in the best possible manner, because once you speak, whatever line you are having in your brain, they would ask the question, another question based on that only. So the interview starts with the very first answer we give. So always be ready for the line. What is very important is you think that the next question, if it is being asked based on that line, you can easily answer that question. So prepare accordingly, and moreover work upon your body language, because almost in complete 100 marks interview, if it is there, then always remember 55% are based on your body language only. So prepare and work upon those topics. You will definitely get selected. If any question remain, please ask in the comment box. If any mistake, please correct it. And really proud of Bhumika for participating in this interview. Keep it up. Blessings to you.
Thank you, sir.
Good.